Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. I am performing an experiment here. I've got the 60 watt Eceen folding solar panel, which I love very much. It's now my favorite, the most powerful folding solar panel, and really powerful for its size that I have. And then I have the Vatid, I'm not sure how you say it still, Vatid, Vatid, I think they say, solar generator, portable power bank, and I've got a portable rice cooker here, and it even has a handle. We just picked this up at a garage sale not long ago, and it's perfect for Melanie when we're on trips. Well, here we are at the cabin at the lake, and actually, it's Wolfgang Puck. It's a brand name, came with a cookbook and everything. So I've already put the water and the rice in. It's just sitting there. It's not cooked. I don't know if you can see that, but I will show you so that there's nothing hidden or secret here. No magic tricks. There is just uncooked rice with some water in there right now. And I am going to plug this in and see if we can cook some rice on this power bank. Now, I've already plugged in the solar panel to charge. It's not needing any charge at this time because it's full. And I have to set that on AC power. And basically, this is an experiment in off-grid survival that could help many people out there in a power outage. If you get a combination of a good solar panel and a good solar generator, then you can do pretty much anything you need to. Let me see. Oh, I can't charge. I don't know if I can charge and power at the same time. That's on DC. I have to turn that off. Turn that on AC. I'm not sure if I can charge and use power at the same time, so we'll forget that for now. I've already got it charged. I'm going to plug this in. It's got a 600 watt capacity. I think this was 200 watts. But already the fan kicked in. Oh, it was already on cook. I see. It's pulling 175 watts. Okay. Automatically I plug it in. It's pulling 175, 176 watts right from the start, and it says it'll run for 2 hours at that rate. So I'm going to put this over in the shade so I can see that light, and I'll know when that kicks off that our rice is done. So I'm figuring we got a 10-minute cook time on the rice cooker, and we've got a 2-hour capacity on the power bank running the rice cooker at full blast. So I'm figuring that we'll have plenty of power left over for other things once that's done. So let's see how it goes. We'll be back in a little bit. I'm going to let that cook. Can you see? The light is on. We are cooking. Oh, there you go. It's hard to tell in the daylight. We are on. It is on and cooking. It'll be interesting to see how this goes. I think it's going to work fine. And I think we'll be able to do a whole lot more when that's done. See you in about 10 minutes, I guess. So, just to confirm, no, you cannot charge and discharge at the same time. I plugged in the solar panel with this cooking rice here, and the power went off and it went into charging mode. With lithium-ion batteries, which is in there, generally you cannot charge and discharge at the same time. So anyway, there will be plenty of power left in here when this is done. We are... Is that showing up? I can't see. Yeah, I think you can see that. We have a 2-hour range, 2-hour time to run. We're running 160 watts, 176 watts, blah. And we're down to 97% capacity on the battery and can run like this for 2 hours. So I just wanted to show you that. And there's the wire going to the rice cooker, and we're cooking. I move this over in the shade just to be gentle on that thing a little more, and just thinking, I don't have a timer on me, so I have no idea how long this is going to take or how long it's been going. I can do a rough calculation based on the built-in computer there. We're down to 92%, so we've been running a few minutes. This is getting hot. Not hot, but I mean, yeah, I can hold my hand in there, but it's getting hot to touch there. So it's cooking. I have no idea how long that will take, but it's a really good experiment to see if you could cook yourself some food, because you could essentially cook yourself. You could put other ingredients in there and cook it up if you had to, but with only 176 watt draw, trying to do the math with a 60 watt solar panel, even in an hour, it would take 3 hours to recharge. Even if you used it for an hour, which is not bad. What, a half hour of cooking would take, what, an hour and a half to recharge? So even if this takes 20 or 30 minutes to cook, which I think would be on the extreme side, then it wouldn't take but an hour and a half with the 60 watt panel to recharge and put that energy back. So with this combination of this generator and this solar panel, I think you'd be pretty comfortable with small loads like this. Running lights, computers, phones, GPS, small appliances. Well guys, beautiful rice. It's lunchtime and perfect timing. So there's the Eceen solar panel, 60 watts, and I've done a full review on that before, so I'm not going to do that again today, but you can check out the links down below in the comments and in the description and find that on Amazon. I highly recommend that if you are looking for a folding solar panel, portable solar panel, because of the size. I mean, it's not that ginormous. It folds up really thin, really great. You can check out my review. And the power bank, I love it, and it is my main go-to power bank for off-grid, portable off-grid experiences. And if I find that on Amazon, I happen to be at the lake. If I happen to find that online, I'll put the links down below. That is online, I'll put the links down below. Check them out, guys. Pretty cool experiment. I'm down to 87%, by the way, and got cooked rice. So please like this video, subscribe if you haven't. I think this was a cool experiment. I gotta get that charging again. Talk to you all later.